Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you joined me today for my first vlog. I hope you enjoy this Sunday's vlog with me and my grandson Jay. Come along with us. Please don't forget to subscribe.
What a beautiful Sunday afternoon, and we're going to church.
Me and my main man. And right in the middle of service, we had a surprise in memory of my precious daughter, Fanshawn Elise Hooker, who passed away last year. Take a look.
You have a presentation? For me?
Praise the Lord. Pastor White, I know that you always wanted. How are you?
I'm great in God. I'm fine, and you are too. I can see.
I know you, when Fanshawn was alive, I know you always wanted something special with your name on it to put on your door.
Oh, you got my plate for my door?
So we wanted to
You and
present
Melissa?
this to you in her honor.
Oh, look
Amen.
at that.
Amen.
Put it on Facebook. Let me hold it. Let me hold it. Let me take it out. I'm a sticker, honey. I just want to give God the glory.
We present it in her
Thank you. Thank you. But give God the glory.
And as you can hear, we were so excited. And so we decided to take some family pictures. There's pictures of my beautiful sister, niece, mother, and uncle.
Okay, so you got
And then my sister wanted to tell me about some stuff to keep us safe and some masks that she had found on the market. I tell you, there's nothing like sisterly love.
I think the other's like gray and maybe one blue.
Oh, nice, nice. Okay, we're after church service today, so we're just getting some information on masks and outside and with everybody. And as you can see, little grandson and uncle way over there. Let's sneak and see if we can get past the white again. There's my niece, Tiara. Say hey, Tiara. All right, Pastor White. Beautiful, beautiful sermon.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Your support and your love. And you know I ain't no camera person.
Say hi to all the people on the YouTube live. Hi! We had a beautiful church service today, and we are on our way back home. It was awesome. Hi. I hope that you guys enjoyed my vlog on today. It's Sunday and it's a worship day for me and my family. And so I hope that you enjoyed all of the festivities because we had a really nice time bringing you along with me and with us. Hey Jay, today. God bless each and every one of you. Be encouraged, be safe, please social distance, and wear your mask.